We are at 23.1. Actually, we got the trip to reset. So when you see that, it's got a color screen. You get to them speeds because you have to slow down and navigate the speed. And now, yeah, that was a lie. And we've only done out of a charge. And to tell you the truth, it's about the limits we're gonna put on it. Now I'm gonna tell you what drained a lot of the battery. Let's stay off the reserve. Too good incline. If I hit the pedals, it'll kick in. Let me take one battery bar. We're gonna roll it. You know what? I'm gonna ride. I don't normally do that. A little star power motor over. It's got go. We got what, 14 miles on it. 4 miles you told me we would get out of this. Yeah, we still got power. We are going up because we need to reserve energy. Uh-oh, guess on camera, but it's flashing it now. So what happens if you cut the speed down? Flashing, I don't know what this flashing means. If you can see that, 23.1 away from that. That's miles is what we got out of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a check on that now, because I've been riding bikes and I've been getting in shape. Class 2. Put it on a hard ride. So I put it on a hard hill, and I got someone about my rider my size, and I see now it's filling these batteries. The battery this is a good, well put together little bike. I got this on Amazon. You might want to look into it. Likebike until it stops and see how much I get. 9.5 is still pulling hills. You assistance. I'm only range if you ever catch yourself flag. Got pulled. Look at that. It still takes off. You can I'm gonna keep going, y'all. I'm gonna run it until 6. Started at 21 now. Alright, I'm back. Okay, here we are at the end of the Amazon. Look at that. When you hit the brake, runs 20 miles an hour, has a color display. Those come in handy. 52 pounds. That's more 40 watts peak power. 23.1. We have 30. Let me see if I can do it. We made it 40.1. Camera. Okay.
Drop it on there.
Let me shoot.